Hello, you are welcome back to Just Rock TV. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your video a full screen on YouTube. But if today is your first time you are watching our YouTube channel, please, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly press the red button down below. And very close to it, you will see a bell. Hit the bell so that anytime we upload new video, it will come to you directly. We upload new video every weekend and we teach people how you can educate yourself on new technology. When I start my YouTube channel, I notice on my video that anytime I make a video, I always have a black space like this on YouTube. You may not notice this because if you are using your Android phone to watch your content, you may not notice it, but if somebody watch your content on laptop or on desktop, they will find out that there is some black on the screen. There's some black on this part also. And because of that, the video is not well okay. So today I'm going to show you how you can position your camera and how you can set up your camera when doing your content recording. So you will notice on this picture, this is how I usually position my phone when I'm doing my recording before. This is how you position your phone, and when you position your phone like this, the recording will not be a full screen on YouTube. But when you are doing your recording, this is how you should always position your phone. Do you see how the phone is in horizontal? You must to position your phone like this to get a full screen on YouTube. And I will show you something. Let's get to the video camera. Here, this is my video camera. Now you can see there's some number here. We have 9.16, we have 3.4, and we have 1.1. But we are going to, when your phone is straight, the way I show you here, when your phone is straight like this, when your phone is straight, the number will always be 9.16. But when your phone is turned, to horizontal, the number will be 16.9. You can see it's 16.9. You can see 16.9. Let me turn my phone now. You can see it. It changed to 16.9. But when your phone is straight, it will be 9.6. But when it's turned to horizontal, it will turn to 16.9. So your phone must be in horizontal anytime you want to make your video. And that is when you can get a full screen video on YouTube. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give your comment down below what you think about this video. Until I see you next time, and I'm thanking those who have been watching our video, who have been giving their comment. I say thank you and may God bless you. Until I see you next time, bye bye.